Amid tensions in the Middle East and disruptions caused by the ongoing Iran-United States tensions in the West Asia, two crude oil tankers have managed to reach India after passing through the vital Strait of Hormuz, offering some relief to the country's strained energy supplies. One of the vessels, the Liberia-flagged tanker Shenlock Suezmax, docked at Mumbai port on Wednesday afternoon carrying around 135,335 metric tons of crude oil sourced from Ras Tanura. The tanker had begun loading crude from Saudi Arabia on March 1st and departed 2 days later. Tracking data showed the vessel moving through the Strait of Hormuz on March 8th before it suddenly disappeared from tracking systems. According to Maritime Report, the tanker had switched off its automatic identification system transponder, a practice known as going dark, which ships sometimes use to avoid detection in sensitive waters. The vessel reappeared on tracking systems the following day and later reached Mumbai, where it has begun unloading its cargo. Meanwhile, another tanker, an Indian-flagged very large crude carrier transporting nearly 2 million barrels of Iraqi crude, has also entered Indian waters and is currently heading towards Paradip port in Odisha, where a major refinery operated by Indian Oil Corporation is located. The development comes a day after a Thai-flagged bulk carrier, Mayuri Nari, was reportedly struck by Iranian forces while passing through the Strait of Hormuz on its way from the United Arab Emirates to Kandla port. There have also been reports suggesting that Iran may have allowed Indian ships to pass through the strait despite tensions. However, Tehran has denied any special arrangement. Responding to the issue, External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Randir Jaiswal said he could neither confirm nor deny such reports, adding that External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has discussed maritime safety with Iran's foreign minister. Indian authorities are currently in contact with Tehran to ensure the safe passage of nearly 28 Indian merchant vessels operating in the region. Officials say 24 ships carrying 677 Indian seafarers are positioned west of the strait, while 4 vessels with 101 Indian crew members are stationed east of it. The Strait of Hormuz remains one of the world's most critical energy corridors, handling nearly 20% of global oil shipments and a significant portion of India's crude oil imports, along with large volumes of LPG and LNG. The safe arrival of these tankers is therefore seen as a crucial development for India's energy security during the ongoing regional crisis.